Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, standing here amongst the, carpenter bees and pickerel weeds, or perhaps they're called pickerel plants, but I think I heard pickerel weeds, standing in a stream here at Someday Farm. Today's Tàijíquán Tip, as always, I want to encourage you to make sure that it's only when it's safe and appropriate. So that might include an external support in today's case, somebody there to help, using a walker, I suppose, certainly good shoes or bare feet, whatever is appropriate. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm walking in a stream, and I don't have a big current here, so I don't think the stream is going to take my feet out from under me. But you can drown in a very little bit of water. You can hit your head on your way down, and you can certainly fall because it's slippery. But the practice here is to practice your Tai Chi stepping, right? Whether that's something you learned as a Qigong or a meditation, or simply how you practice in your form. So maybe you're holding a posture, maybe you're holding a place, and maybe you're actually practicing moves or holding a mudra or whatever. But the idea is to practice, and there's a bunch of course, river stones. It's largely a stony bottom, but a little bit of plant life, of course, and a little bit of sandy. But the idea is to practice where it's quite difficult in terms of slipperiness. But again, I'm not trying to invite you to practice where it's so slippery or so unlifeguarded that you're really risking your health. But a particular way to do this is not to look. And today, the way it's worked out with the sunlight and the slow flow, it's very murky. And it's weird because it's almost never murky here, but it is what it is. But to practice where you don't see the bottom, so that you're doing it by feel. And in this case, I can't see the bottom. So even if I kind of cheat and I look down, I don't get any real extra information. So just practicing when it's safe, if it's safe for you, with a slippery surface, which might be done a number of different ways, but I particularly like the natural aspect of river walking. And see if you can keep your principles, keep your focus, and kind of enjoy it. You're outside among the dragonflies. So thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.